In this QuoteSoft training video, you will learn how to manage and create custom templates. From the main menu, we will find templates in the Jobs tab. And templates are managed in the blue template folders. Before we learn how to manage and create our own custom templates, let's first gain a better understanding of the default templates that QuoteSoft has given to you. Remember, a template consists of a default list of specs, assemblies, and job items. Specs define the different systems your company installs, and within the specs are defined the materials used within the system for pipe, fittings, valves, flanges, hangers, insulation, and specialty items. However, from job to job, county to county, city to city, and state to state, because each job requires different material lists, we cannot guarantee you our default specs align with the actual materials required. So, though these specs are well defined and a good starting point, we cannot guarantee you that the materials you specifically use have been defined in these specs. Templates also contain assemblies. An assembly is a predefined list of materials that repeats throughout a project or from project to project. Though these assemblies that have been given to you are well defined and a good starting point, we cannot guarantee you that the materials you specifically use for roughing in fixtures and equipment have been defined. The last thing templates include are job items. Job items define fixtures and equipment and the labor it takes to install. Though the job items that have been given to you in templates are well defined and good starting points, we cannot guarantee you that all the fixtures and equipment you work with have been defined, nor can we guarantee you that the labor aligns with yours. And so, you may want to create your own custom templates defining specs with your systems and materials, assemblies with the way you rough in fixtures and equipment, and job items defining your fixtures and equipment and the labor to which install. You'll be now given different examples of ways to define custom templates. Engineers typically use the same specs, details, and schedules from project to project. Therefore, if you have a handful of engineers that you typically work with, you will find that their specs translate well into QuoteSoft specs, their details translate well into QuoteSoft assemblies, and their schedules translate well into job items. Another way to make use of templates is by type of work, such as schools, hospitals, office buildings, and residential. You can also define templates on a customer-by-customer basis when they have unique sets of standards while on site at their location. And lastly, you may want to define templates by trade, such as hydronic piping, plumbing, refrigeration, and residential. Now that you understand what templates are and have an idea of how you want to define your custom templates, you will be shown how to create those custom templates. From the main menu of the program, templates are managed in the Jobs tab. Though there are 3 existing folders for managing templates, you will want to create and organize your templates in the blue folder labeled Templates. In the Jobs tab, to create your first custom template, please select the Templates folder. This is to define where we want to create our new template. Then select the New button. Leaving the template option set to none, first start by defining the name of your template. And because you want your estimators to know what is in the template, please use the description field to define what the template consists of: specs, assemblies, and job items. You do not have to use the QuoteSoft terminology when describing your templates. You can use systems for specs, details for assemblies, and fixtures and equipment for job items. Though there are additional fields when creating a new template, please understand you only need to give the template a name and a description. After you have given your template a name and a good description, please select OK to create your template. Selecting the Jobs tab, You will now see your custom template added to the list of templates available. You can create as many custom templates as you would like. Please move on to the next series of videos to learn how to populate your custom template with your specs, assemblies, and job items.